Bill Duggan, Quarry Hose Plumbing and HVAC. We're in Quincy. Replaced a oil-fired steam boiler with a steam boiler base, less the burner. That means an oil-fired boiler without the burner. And on it is a Carlin EZ-1 conversion burner. We installed new gas piping, new 1-inch gas piping for it. Basically, we already fired it up, but we put it on the customer requested the cover for it, which is a noise prevention device. It quiets down the burner. So we're going to flip it on. I'm going to do a combustion analysis when the cover is on, which is something you must do. Call for heat. It takes a few seconds to go through the safety precautions. Now I'm going to take a combustion analysis with my Testo combustion analyzer. Basically, we want to be between 4 and 5 for the oxygen reading. Showing 0 parts per million carbon monoxide. Good thing. 4.602, 4.5, whatever we want to